Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to disable notification on xPortal. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to launch Open xPortal application from your app drawer. Log into your account by entering your PIN code and once you're signed in to the main home page, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now select the settings icon at the bottom left and then tap on Notifications. Toggle off the button right next to Important Notification and any other notifications you don't want to receive. Make sure the buttons are disabled and you will not receive any kind of a notification from xPortal. If you ever change your mind and you would like to receive the notifications back again, make sure the toggle buttons in this page are turned on. So that is how you will be able to turn off push notifications from xPortal. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.